It's game day, baby. Let's go. Today we're making some easy and delicious game wings. We're going to be frying them in oil and we're going to be air frying some. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Let's jump right into this video. So here are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So here I'm just adding all the ingredients together to make the marinade. Then we are going to marinate this for 2 hours, or you can do it overnight like I did. Preparation is key. Make your work so much easier the next day. Alright, so this is our dredging flour. As I mentioned, the ingredients will also be in the description box. This is packed full of flavor. The crunch on these guys, oh my, you're gonna listen. You're gonna hear what's up here with these wings. So now we are going to flour our wings. So for me, I like to leave this out after I flour the chicken for about 10 minutes before frying, and it makes it crunchier. Now this is our air fry wings. I'm going to season this with some garlic salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and a dash of lemon pepper. All right, and some smoked paprika, and I'm going to add some fine thyme. So just let me know in the comment section, guys, where you all are watching me from, and what are your favorite wings. I like to say shout out to the people in New York, Brooklyn, and Queens. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I can see where you guys are watching me from, so I'm going to shout out where you guys are from. All right, so now we're going to lightly, guys, flour our chicken, spray some non-stick spray, and then you air fry. Just make sure to flip 50 minutes through the time, and you are in for a treat, guys. It is absolutely juicy. Then we're going to fry these guys for about 8 minutes. You can regulate your stove as well and check the temperature of your oil as you go. All right, so this is what our air fried chicken looks like. Beautiful. I don't know where he's trying to go, but he's going to be eaten. Yes. And this is what our fried chicken looks like in foil. So for our sauce, you can add whatever sauces you like and you want to put in your chicken. There I'm adding some sweet chili oil. I love sweet chili sauce. I said sweet chili oil, my bad. Sweet chili sauce. Okay. Listen to the crunch. And there it is, guys. It was absolutely amazing. Guys, again, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. And thank you guys so much for your support. I love you all. See you all on the next video. Bye bye.